Today's spaghetti and garlic bread recipes are a great, inexpensive meal and a crowd pleaser. At only 93 cents a serving, this recipe can feed about 6 people. For the spaghetti, you only need 3 ingredients: ground beef, pasta sauce, and the pasta itself. First, we brown 1 pound of ground beef in a pan. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Once the meat is cooked, add in the spaghetti sauce, and we're going to bring that to a simmer. So you can see that I've already cooked my pasta. You can use any pasta for this recipe. Just make sure you cook it per the directions on the box. For the spaghetti, I boiled water and cooked it for about 11 minutes. When the sauce is warmed through, we add the pasta to the meat sauce. I like to use a spaghetti server to slightly drain the pasta, but I actually want to bring in a little bit of that starchy pasta water into the sauce. It helps everything really incorporate well. Now the only thing left is to mix this together and turn our heat off. For the garlic bread, we melt 2 tablespoons of butter in the microwave for about a minute. Then add in a dash of salt, pepper, basil, and garlic powder. We're going to stir to combine and then brush the seasoning onto our bread. Place the buttery bread on the warm griddle at medium heat until your bread is light brown and toasted, which only takes a couple of minutes. I love this garlic bread because it comes together really quickly and I don't have to turn on the oven. There you have it, a feast of spaghetti and garlic bread that can feed about 6 people at 93 cents a serving. That is sure to please even your pickiest eater. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share below. Have a blessed day.